Hey guys, this is Coach R. I was going to explain our week 10 module to you. This week we're going to be learning about the respiratory system. You will see your module right here. Always start with your instructional video and then complete your attendance. Then you will go to your content notes and your content video. Remember to take your time on this content because this will help you be successful throughout the entire module. You can use your content notes that you take as you complete the module. After you click submit on your notes, you will be going through a study jam over the respiratory system. Then it will unlock your exit ticket. Remember, everything must be completed in order for it to be unlocked correctly. There's no need to email your teacher and say that it will not unlock. Be sure that you have submitted the previous assignment before clicking on the next assignment. After your exit ticket, you're going to have another activity right here. Then you're going to have a respiratory system close. This is an awesome way to test your knowledge before you get to your assessment. Then you're going to have a new assignment that we're adding in, which is going to be your Google slide presentation. This week, you're going to be doing your slide presentation over last week's system. So you're going to be doing your Google slide presentation over the circulatory system. This is going to be the requirements for your Google slide presentation. So after you open that up, you will click on the requirements and you will see all of this information. Please be creative, add detail. You're going to have all of this included in your slide presentation. So the function of the system, structures, explanation. So be sure to read through all of these requirements. Then you're going to answer all of these questions in your slide presentation. It does not just need to be one slide. We understand that it's a lot of information that we are asking you to put on here. So you can use a minimum of 3 slides. We're going to have one title slide and at least 2 slides with the information that you have found. Remember, creativity is key. We love having backgrounds and pictures and videos and things that you find. As you're going through this project, remember, it's plagiarism if you copy and paste from a website that you find it. You must put this information in your own words. We will know if you copy and paste. We can see the differences. Okay, so after you do your Google slide presentation, this should take you a good little bit. This should not be done within 30 minutes. It's going to take a little bit because we are asking you to be creative and to really learn and study and show us what you learned about the circulatory system. Then you'll go on to your assessment where we will assess what you learned about the respiratory system. After that, you'll have your optional brain breaks and your social and emotional activity, which this week is going to be improving your mood and mental health through music. That'll be really fun. All right, guys, we have a normal week this week, no short week, so we will see you and get going. Have a good day.